A tiny home front yard garden may be small in size, but it can hold an incredible amount of beauty and charm. When designed with intention, even a few square feet of soil or stone can transform into a peaceful, welcoming space that enhances the entire home. It's not about the amount of land you have, it's about how you use it. The best tiny front yard gardens combine simplicity, nature, and thoughtful detail to create something that feels personal and full of life. The key to a beautiful front yard garden in a tiny home setting is balance. Every element, from the plants to the materials, must work together to create flow. Begin with structure. Define the layout using clean lines or gentle curves that guide the eye naturally toward the home. A small stone path or stepping tiles can add rhythm and purpose. Raised planters, small beds, or even vertical walls help divide the space without closing it off. These shapes give the garden clarity and make it feel organised without losing softness. Plants are what bring the design to life. In small spaces, layering becomes essential. Choose a mix of heights and textures to build depth. Tall grasses, small trees, or vertical climbers add dimension without taking up too much ground. Shrubs and flowering plants provide colour and fragrance, while ground covers like creeping thyme or moss soften edges. The palette should be calm and cohesive. Shades of green with accents of white, lavender or muted yellow create a natural, welcoming feel.